Welcome to another episode of eThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. eThekwini Municipality Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba and KwaZulu-Natal MEC for Transport and Human Settlements Siboniso Duma handed over 113 houses in Konobia to families affected by the 2022 floods. Articulate Africa was a tremendous success, bringing together creatives, academics, writers, activists, cultural practitioners, and the public. The city hosted the annual property conference, providing a platform for closed-door deal rooms aimed at identifying and discussing real-time development and investment opportunities. The city continues to implement urgent intervention measures to contain and mitigate the sewer overflow incident affecting Margaret Mncadi Avenue. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.